So, if you are tired of manually updating your WordPress dashboard every time there is a new upgrade, which can be stressful and sometimes you may even forget, then this video is for you. You may want to stick to the end. Hi, I'm Wise from The Manager, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your WordPress site to automatically update. Before we start, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks as you do that. Now head on to your WordPress admin dashboard. Then scroll down and click on Updates. Scroll over to Enable Automatic Updates for all new versions of WordPress and click on it. Then in order to set auto updates for plugins, go over to your plugins menu. Click here to select all plugins in your site, so you can just do this for all the plugins you have. Now this was done in order to automatically update all the plugins rather than doing this manually one by one. Click here, then click on bulk actions, then enable auto updates and click apply. To do same for your themes, click on appearance. Select any theme and click on enable auto updates. And you can do same for other themes or for all the themes you have on your website. And that's it, guys. If you don't have this set on your website, you may want to head over to your dashboard now and activate this, as setting auto updates helps fix bugs, and it also boosts your site security without you having to lift a finger since it's automated. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for tuning in today, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.